Hey guys, this is Cheryl from Alaska. How you doing? We have cold weather, but it's rainy right now, so at least no snow, right? And I want to talk to you today about making money online bonuses. I mean, doesn't everybody love bonuses? We all do. No matter what we're doing, where we're going, they like the bonuses, the discount bonuses, or just bonuses to help you. Well, somebody asked me today, what would be my bonus if I joined your team? And I'm like, oh, wow. I've not had anybody ask me that lately. So, maybe people don't do that as much, but I'm just like, well, probably what would be a good bonus would be like if we had somebody you could talk to, like they wanted to make an appointment to chat with them for a little bit on the phone, right? They want to know what the scoop is, what I'm offering. Just give them the layout, show them what to do, kind of thing. Just give them that proof of being able to talk to a real person, right? And they wanted to know, and they wanted to make an appointment with me. I was happy to write back and say, hey, our system includes all of that. You get a coaching call. When you get in, you actually get a platform where it gives you step by step what to do, really what to do, not just steps to like most companies, there's stuff to fill out, things you got to take care of, but that doesn't give you steps to earn money actually. And yet ours has a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps to get. That takes a little time to do, maybe an hour or two. I don't know, depending on the person. But I mean, and these steps set you up completely. This is the reason why you want to talk to somebody, or the reason why you'd want to have a coaching call from somebody you join, because you want to know all this stuff, right? And I told him our system includes all of that. You don't have to worry about any of that. Everybody that you bring in is going to be given this platform. Nobody's got a heads up on it. No one's got this angle that everybody's vibing to get on their team. You don't have any of that with what we have. And we have bonuses up the gazoo, but they're for everybody, which is kind of unusual and very, very good for getting started and not knowing what to do, because we have it all laid out. You know exactly what to do, which is perfect, because that's really the biggest problem. People don't know what to do, and they don't know where to go, and you get in, and step one, you get into our Facebook group, which has a hive of people in there that help people. Now, isn't that awesome? And great support in that group. And then you set up, your account. You get that information that gets your account set up. And then you see step 3, there's some steps in there that show you, it lays out exactly what you do every day, which, people would like to know that when you get into a business. They would love to know that. And we have all that inside. And then you go through the steps, you learn what to do, you write it down, you take notes, and then you've also got a coaching call you can have, which you can talk to. And when you get done, you can see the vision, you can see where you're headed, you know what to do, you feel so good about getting started. I mean, when does that ever happen? Well, we have that for everybody. I don't care who you join. It's going to work that way, always. Not to mention, you're not going to get just a sponsor. You're going to get a mentor, because everybody has access to the same mentor that's going to show you exactly what you need to do and tell you when you're not doing it right. And we need that. We so need that. When do you ever have a mentor looking over your shoulder, helping you, giving you tips and if you're not doing something right, they tell you. I appreciate that, because I want to know. I want to do it right. I want to be able to make money online, and the bonuses that we have are incredible bonuses. I've never seen anywhere else, and they just make all the difference in the world about you earning money or not. Now, I'm earning money and continue to earn money since June, and I've never looked back. I've been so thankful to have a platform, because when someone says that out of the blue, well, what does your team offer? You don't have to worry about that, because we have all of that. Your people will be taken care of. My people are taken care of. It's a win-win. It really is. And businesses out there, a lot of time the training is outdated. They never see the CEO. I see the CEO a couple times a week and chat on Messenger. I have an incredible privilege of being mentored by someone that is earning 7 figures and doing that now and showing us now how to do it. Now, when does that happen? I've been in tons of programs over the years, and a lot of times the training's outdated. You never see the CEO. They're off doing whatever. You don't get coaching sessions. You don't get really take out the fluff and get exactly what you need to do. You don't get that from most places, and that's what's so unique about ours. The bonuses are built in. You don't have to worry. Everybody gets them. There's no, well, if I had to join what's his name, I'd have this bonus or that bonus, and that would be, everybody has the ability to have incredible success because all they do is follow the instructions, and the bonuses are all included. And do I ever love that? I do so much. I mean, I am now on the elite team of this company because I have followed the instructions. I've listened to the tips and the tricks. If I'm not on the right track, she'll tell me, and then I know. And I change, and I level up, and I just do what I need to do, learn. I'm learning so much that's going to carry me through years and years of earning because I'm learning a skill set that is priceless, really, because not only am I learning a very important skill set, I'm being trained by the person that created it, is doing it, has been since 2016, still doing it, still works, you know what I'm saying? Because sometimes you've got stuff they tell you to do, but not really going to make any impact on your income. I made over $8,000 with this company and counting, and I am so pleased to be able to share a company that is upfront about everything, and the bonuses are, they want you to succeed. They want to help you do that, where most sponsors, they don't, you got the product, you're under them, good, there, go out, good riddance, really, kind of thing. They don't really take any time because that's not necessarily that they know. And so I am happy to announce we have all the bonuses right inside. As soon as you join, you have access to so many features that are in play, in the plan for you to be successful. And I am so proof of that. So much am I proof of that in the team. You have access to the team, and we all help each other, and it is like nothing I've ever seen. And I had to get on and tell you about it because I remember the days when you have a team that has all these bonuses or whatever, and you're just trying to find the right place to go to make money. And honestly, this is like 2.0 or whatever of network marketing because everything is in place for you to be successful. Everything's laid out for you. You just go through it and do it. That's really, it's simple. And it works well, and the bonuses are so worth it. It's absolutely worth it, and I just had to share. And you can go to my link in my description on my channel, like my channel, and go in the link and check it out because you'll be so amazed and very thankful to have a business that's that well put together for people to do well. It really is success, and I'm just thrilled. I mean, I was doing this during the pandemic, kind of, getting my feet wet, and just thought, okay, I'll do it. And wow, I'm so excited, and so excited for you because it is so amazing to have a business that you are told exactly what's working right now and has been working since 2016, and our mentor that everyone has access to will tell you. And it's perfect. It really is perfect to have all of that put together. And so I'm just thankful you got on and you're watching my video. I appreciate it. Just like my channel and go to my description. You'll find it links so you can check it out more. You definitely want to check it out. So have a great one. Appreciate you watching. See ya.